How can I earn 100 US dollars per week online? Are you looking for ways to make some extra money online? In this video, I'm going to share with you some strategies that can help you earn an extra $100 per week. First of all, let's start saying that earning $100 in a week online is really not a get rich quick scheme, but definitely possible if you're willing to put in some time and effort. With that said, let's dive in. One way to earn $100 per week online is by taking freelance work. Is that if you have a particular skill or expertise, such as you are a good writer, you are good at graphic designs, through platforms such as Upwork.com or Fiverr. There are several others. And by setting a competitive hourly rate and working effectively, you can easily make $100 per week or even more. As a matter of fact, there are people who manage to earn way more. They haven't paid commissions. So that's the first way, freelance work. Another option is to sell products and services on an e-commerce platforms. Let's say eBay, let's say Amazon, let's say even you can use even Jumuia. At some point, I used to sell products on Kilimall. So if you are crafty enough and you have a knack for creating unique product, you can set up an online shop and start selling your creations. The alternative is that you can also sell physical and digital products that you source from other vendors. I had a friend of mine who is doing that and is really making good money. So just make sure you do your research and find a niche that is in demand and not too competitive. Because what you are planning to do, people are already doing. Another way you can earn $100 per week online is by participating in paid surveys or focus groups. So there are many companies that are willing actually to pay for customers' feedback and opinions. And you can find these opportunities on websites like if you go to Survey Junkie, you go to Vindal Research. You can even confirm now. While the amount of money you can make in these opportunities vary, it's definitely possible to earn $1,000 per week because the effort you put will make them send you more surveys. I've actually done a few surveys on SurveyMonkey and I got paid, though not much because I was not really keen on them. Finally, you can also consider starting a YouTube channel or maybe a blog where you can share your thoughts, experience, or knowledge on a particular topic. And starting a YouTube channel is also not very easy as most people would think. So it means it will require your dedication, it will require your passion and the rest. And by building an engaged audience and monetizing your content through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, you can earn money on recurring basis. It may take some time to grow your audience, but with consistent effort, if you put more effort, quality, you can definitely earn $100 per week or more. I hope these ideas have given you some inspirations on how to earn $100 per week online. And remember, it takes hard work and dedication to succeed. The potential rewards are definitely worth it. So give it a try.